Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: Word 365 or recent Word, a working microphone, and permissions granted. Once done, open the document where you want text. Now locate Home and click the Dictate microphone icon to start listening. Speak clearly and at a steady pace. The feature streams audio for faster transcription. Make sure your default input device is the mic you intend to use because Word uses the system input. This gets you into the live dictation state quickly, and once dictation is active, choose the correct language from the dictate options so recognition matches your speech. Speak punctuation words, comma, period, question mark, because Word converts them into characters. This avoids later cleanup. You can say commands like new line or new paragraph to structure text as you go. If you need a break or to change wording, press the microphone button to pause, then press again to resume. These controls give you precise formatting and reduce editing time afterward. To finish, click the Dictate button to stop listening. Your words remain editable like typed text. Then scan for common errors, proper nouns, homophones, and punctuation placement, and correct them by typing or repeating short phrases. If dictation fails to start or drops out, check microphone permissions in Windows or Mac OS, ensure the correct input device is selected, and reduce background noise. Switching to a headset often fixes issues. Use short test sentences to confirm the fix before resuming full dictation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.